you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Glossybox for August. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so Glossybox just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your beauty box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys can see, it is a decorative box this month. Sometimes it's in their normal pink box or sometimes they get fancy with it, and this month is a fancy month. So this is what it looks like. It's a little shiny right there, very pretty, and it says the art of beauty right there. Everything else is all pink, but super cute. I love keeping these boxes, and I tell you guys that because it's constructed so well. You can always store stuff in them. You never know when you'll need a nice box. Even to gift wrap something, you have a nice box, so I always keep them, especially the fancy ones. So let's open this up. The inside, it says, "Hi, beautiful." How cute. And then you do have a card here that says, "We're so excited to share this month's box with you. As always, each month features 5 beauty products worth over $75. It says, "And code HeyGlossy will get your followers a surprise at checkout." So, Hey Glossies will get you a special surprise at checkout. So there's that. And then we have the brochure for this month with that gorgeous woman right there. And it says, "Time to play. Explore your creative side." What is this month? It says, "Hey Glossies, when our daily lives can feel like we're running on autopilot, it's great to take a moment to simply let go and allow our creative juices to flow." Juices flowing. This month's box is inspired by the art of beauty, products that let us step out of our comfort zone, and tools that help us feel like a masterpiece. We cannot wait to see what you create. Stay glossy from the Glossybox team. This will go over all of the items. There is one more item actually on the back side, and it will tell us the pricing of each one as well. So I'll set that right here so we can go through everything. Back to the inside of the presentation, you have the white ribbon. I always keep my ribbons. There is this pretty tissue paper. So let me remove that guy. And then a sneak peek to inside of the box will look like that. There's some big products in here. Wow. This is a big guy right here. What is this? Authentic Beauty Concepts Beachy Texture Spray. Okay, so I will put this in a future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy. I don't use a lot of hair products, especially like the beachy wave texture things. Me personally, I just don't like my hair to feel any other way than just like straight and to run my hands through it. So it's really hard for me to use products to make my hair do anything other. So I will gladly set this in my future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy, but it is a really nice large bottle. It is a 250 ml or 8.4 fluid ounces. If you're wondering, this is the full size product. You can find it at authenticbeautyconcepts.us. Again, this is the Beachy Texture Spray. Whether you are creating a laid back summer beachy wave or an on-trend braided updo, texture is the key. Shake this lightweight, non-crunchy spray and spritz through the roots and length of your hair before blow drying or styling. The organic sugar and sea salt ingredients will give your hair volume, shape, and better grip. And this is valued for $20. The tip for this says, "Great for air drying. Spray onto damp hair and allow your natural hair texture to take shape." So there's that. And again, I will gladly put this for one of you guys to enjoy. Next we have is a professional detangling hairbrush. It's a wet and dry brush. I do have a lot of wet brushes and I absolutely love them. So this I will save for one of you guys as well. I love passing down to you guys. This is by Tangle Teaser. And again, it's the professional detangling hairbrush for wet or dry. This is the original. It's in color pink. There are the bristles right there. This is a full-size product, and this is valued for $9.99. The original mini detangling brush. Small in size, but big on detangling. The original brush from Tangle Teaser is a firm favorite among Glossybox team, and this smaller version is perfect for your purse or travel bag. No pulling or tugging, it's super gentle and glides through wet or dry hair easily. The tip for this says, major tangles, start by sectioning your hair and work from the bottom upwards. And again, $9.99 for the value of that. Now we have, it says Good Fortune, and I actually really like this perfume. I don't think I've tried this one. I don't remember seeing anything purple. This is on the back of it. This says Good Fortune Perfume. Meet our new perfume obsession. The Good Fortune fragrance was inspired by Viktor and Rolf's spiritual glamour collection and is wonderfully feminine and powerful. The top notes are fennel and gentian flower, heart of jasmine, and bottom notes of creamy bourbon vanilla. This is the sample size valued at 1.2 mil, and the full size starts at 30 mil for $88, but this one does not have a value for it. It says you can personalize your full size bottle with an engraving. I guess if you order it from the company, they can engrave your bottle for you. That's neat. So let me get this. I want to smell this one because, again, I really like this brand. Anything that I've smelled so far, I really like. Ooh, and it looks like there's like a crystal top. Like, looks like almost amethyst for the lid. You know, I love me some crystals. So you do have this small little sample, which is like halfway full. They don't even give you a full size sample. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, that does smell really good. I do kind of pick up on the flowery part, the floral thing that it was saying. Not rose scented whatsoever, thank goodness. But that does smell really good. Give me a little more spritz. That does smell really, really good. All right, so there's a few more items left in here. This product here is, it says Kors Night Brightening Sleep Facial. It's a deluxe sample. This is 20 mil, worth $25. The full size is a 40 mil, and it's worth $50. You can find it at Kors.com. This is the Apothecary Wild Rose Night Brightening Sleep Facial. So if you already heard that word rose, I think I want to save this for one of you guys because that's going to make me think that there might be rose scented in here. It says made in Greece. Night Brightening Sleep Facial. How to use. Apply to the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. I'm trying to like skip through the ingredients quickly to see if I see anything with rose, and I don't. But again, just with it calling this the Wild Rose Night Brightening Sleep Facial, it says and rose extracts. Okay, so there it goes right there. I'm definitely saving this for one of you guys. A great art needs a beautiful canvas, and your skin is the most important canvas of all. This nourishing and soothing formula contains vitamin C and rose extracts to brighten, plump, reduce dark spots, and leave skin looking more even. Leave it on overnight and wake up glowing and hydrated. And it says, tip, apply a nickel-sized amount to the face and neck each night, avoiding the eye area. So it sounds like it's one that you just leave on. You do not need to worry about washing it off in the morning, which is great. But with the rose situation, I don't want a migraine, so that will go saved for one of you guys. All right, so now we have is a Luxy brush. Ooh, I do have quite a few Luxy brushes, so I will check in my collection to see if I have this one. It is the large angled number 504. If I do, you know where this is going to go, in the giveaway pile for one of you guys. If I don't, I will stick it in my collection with my Luxy brushes. This is the full size product. You can find it at luxybrush.com. This is what it looks like. Very, very soft. I really do enjoy Luxy brushes, but again, I only need one of each one because I don't really use them that much. But this is the 205 tapered blending brush. We love Luxy for their huge range of blush shaped and their pleasantly pink and rose gold designs. The 205 is a great all-rounder, ideal for applying and blending out transition colors in your crease, for blending any harsh lines in your eyeshadow look. This is 205, right? Nope. I'm like, how in the world do you put this in your crease for your eyeshadow? And there is a dent on this one here. So it does, if this does go in my giveaway pile, there is a dent right here that was already right there. That's already there. The one in the book that I'm reading is a 205 tapered blending brush. That one I'm sure I definitely do have, so that makes more sense on why it's talking about your crease in your transition for your eyeshadow. I'm like, holy moly. How are you going to put this in with your eyeshadow? Synthetic bristles are super soft and easy to clean. That one is valued at $15. This one I'm not quite sure because, again, this is the 504. But to me, it looks like it would be a, was it blush or contouring type of a brush? I'm not sure. I don't do much with face brushes. I only use like stuff for my eyes. So again, I will check to see if I have this. If not, I will put it in a future giveaway pile, but it's definitely not a tapered blending brush. That's for sure. So I guess maybe if they don't have any more of the 205s, they will send another brush at random, but it is still at least a Luxy brush and it's a large one. So I like that. So it looks like there is one item left in here, you guys, and it is an eyeshadow palette. It has been a good minute since we've had an eyeshadow palette, and I don't recall the last time we've had one this big. So kudos to Glossybox. This says Hidden Garden by Estate. Ooh, that is really pretty. This is a full-size product by Estate Cosmetics. This is valued for $30 and you can find it from estatecosmetics.com. It's time to release your inner artist. Grab your brush and tap into this beautifully rich matte and shimmers inside this eyeshadow palette. There is natural tones you can wear every day to flatter and contour your eyes, but there's also green, purple, and red to create a colorful, smoky, artistic look. So again, this is valued for $30. The packaging is really, really pretty. I like those colors. And then when you open her up, there is a large mirror on the top. It does continue the little floral pattern around. I'm not trying to blind you guys. And then here is the actual palette. So you do have some like neutral colors, but then you do have like this pop of like a burgundy-ish color. They called it red, I think, in there. Did they say red? It says purple to red. This looks more of like a burgundy color to me, but you do have the green, you have some purple, and you have like some brown neutral tones. So that is really pretty, and I like this large size palette. It was really nice to be in this box. And again, this is valued for $30. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. You have a full-size eyeshadow palette, which again, I'm super impressed with that. You have a Luxy brush, could have been a smaller one or could have been sent another one maybe at random. You have a little perfume sample to try out, a Kors product, a large hair product, and then a full-size wet or dry hairbrush. So that is everything again that came in this month's box. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items that they put in here? What do you think of Glossybox? Let me know. If you would like a little bit more information about Glossybox, I will let you know right about now. Down below in the description box, I will have the link if you would like to follow that to go to Glossybox so you can check out their beauty box. They also have their own skincare line, so you can shop their skincare line, and if you are a subscriber, you do get it at a discounted rate. And everything that I have tried thus far has been amazing, so I really do enjoy their skincare line. So you can check that out. You can check out this beauty box or anything like that. And again, that will be linked down below. Their monthly box, if you do month to month, it's $21 per box with free international shipping. It always does come in a really nice constructed box as well, and a ribbon that is always different type colors that you can save and reuse. You can prepay for several months at a time to get it down cheaper. If you go all the way to a 12-month plan, it'll bring your box price down to $18 per box. You can cancel at any time, and you will always get 5 products worth $75 or higher in every single box. So that is everything. Again, they will be linked down below. You comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.